Alright, in this lesson you explore different methods of factoring. To begin factoring any polynomial, always look for the GCF. Class, what does the GCF stand for?
Greatest common factor.
You can factor out the greatest common factor of a polynomial and then factor what remains. So we have two students here in their work. Their names are Ping and Shalisha. They were given the problem 3x cubed plus 12x squared minus 36x, and they were supposed to factor it by factoring out the greatest common factor. Raise your hand if you think Ping's work is correct. Raise your hand if you think Shalisha work is correct. So Shalisha found a common factor, but not the GCF. The teenage example I have is kind of like, you know how they just move the fences in your tables, right? And then when you stand with your friends, you guys are very particular, right? All your haircuts are the same, you all wear the same clothes and the brands, right? You all wear the same music usually. So you're a tight-knit group. But then sometimes there's people like, they don't wear the same sweatshirt, but they still stand with us. They're kind of like in the group, but they're not like super specific. So this one here is, we should have a X there. Question number 2. If possible, factor the expression completely. So I'm going to continue off of Ping's work. This was the original equation. And then Ping factored out a 3x as a GCF. Everyone say inside.
Inside.
We only need to factor what's on the inside. As a review, class, looking on the inside, what I highlighted here in pink, what is A times C? Negative 12. And your B value? Two numbers that multiply to be negative 12, but also add to be 4. Six and negative 2. Tell your new partner, do we need to do the box?
Yes, we do.
Alright, so if you're not sure when to use the X in the box, you always use the X, always. But the box you only use when A is greater than 1. Put your finger on the A value. Class, what's our A value? Is it bigger than 1? No, so you don't need to do it. You can just take these numbers and write them down. Class, tell me what's alright. 3x parentheses x plus 6 x minus 2. So here we factored completely.